Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you are so welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you one absolute ingredient to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. Yes, to my 376 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So these are the products that we're going to use. We are going to use some spoons, a hair bowl, spray bottle, a glass bowl, apple cider vinegar, and some water. So you can use any type of water which you want, but I'm using distilled water. This is just my preference for today. Yes, this is a DIY, so even tap water can do. So if you're not on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So you have to make sure that you go for apple cider vinegar. So this is the organic apple cider vinegar and filtered with the mother in it. Yes, this is very, very important. And you can, as you can see, like at the base, actually the mother is there. Like that is how it looks like. So make sure that you go for organic, apple cider vinegar, because there are quite a number of apple cider vinegar, but just make sure that it's organic, it's unfiltered and raw, unfiltered raw apple cider vinegar. Yes, though this remedy is good, like it's going to work for an itchy scalp and itchy flex or the boric dermatitis. So of course there are so many recipes or different recipes. So I'm going to use like a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar and a cup of our water. So make sure that you mix it with water. Don't pour the whole bottle of apple cider vinegar on your scalp, because or on your hair it's going to damage your hair, or it's going to cause damage. So we are mixing it and our treatment is ready at this point. So give this video a like and comment in the section below. So the scalp, like the rest of the skin, sheds dead skin. So dandruff occurs when the process speeds up. Dandruff flakes and itching like dead skin cells. So researchers do not fully comprehend what causes dandruff. Potential causes of dandruff include fungal infections of the skin, oil secretion or secreted to the scalp, sensitivity to substances such as hair products. These three factors actually work together to make like dandruff worse. So our product at this point is ready and we are going to use it on the scalp. So apple cider vinegar has natural and bacterial properties, which makes it pretty effective in killing and preventing dandruff causing yeast. It is though effective as ketanazole and pythonin, zinc, the two holy grail studded backed ingredients in dandruff shampoo, like Heads and Shoulders and Nizori. So of course, you know what? It's not definitely, of course, but it's certainly more gentle. Like apple cider vinegar is very gentle on your scalp. It won't strip your hair. So apple cider vinegar can soothe irritated scalp. Apple cider vinegar has natural anti-inflammatory properties, so it also calms while it prevents its overgrowth. So the scalp won't be left as much irritated or itchiness in the long run. So apple cider vinegar is filled with alpha hydroxy acid, a gentle natural exfoliator. So it will cut through all that build up on your roots. So the pH of your scalp is naturally a little acidic, but it also easily disrupted by all the products we load on every day. So the disturbed pH can lead to rough, open hair cuticles that tangle, look, die, and break. Apple cider vinegar, with its acidic base, can help balance the pH of the scalp acidic mantle. So you reap the benefits of apple cider vinegar if you use apple cider vinegar correctly. Please don't go dumping apple cider vinegar from the bottle to your hair. Make sure that you dilute it with some water. Usually it's 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 5 parts of water. Like I said earlier on, there are different recipes of apple cider vinegar, but of course there's no correct one. Yeah, so how often should you use apple cider vinegar? So you can use apple cider vinegar on the scalp for at least once per week. So once per week is usually a good note of thumb. So dear friends, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't. So apple cider vinegar is antimicrobial while healing a dry, itchy scalp. Your scalp is the host of bacteria and fungal, but sometimes they can get a little too comfortable, causing side effects like itchiness and dandruff. So apple cider vinegar can balance a dry, itchy scalp by helping to control the bacteria or fungi that can lead to scalp and hair problems. So it can also reduce hair fall or hair loss, because apple cider vinegar has the ability to balance your scalp or our scalp's pH and effectively clear any inflammation within hair follicles. Overall, the ingredient is working to reduce hair fall. So friends, if you've been on this channel, you understand that I'm in a protective hairstyle challenge for 6 months. I've been doing twist. We are now in the 4th month actually. So next month we'll click 5 months. So I really love, doing twists, because you have access to your scalp. You'll be able to treat your scalp. You can wash your hair in twists. This is very, very important, because I promise that I'll be doing different treatments and showing you what I'll be doing to grow my medium natural hair. So if you're trying to grow out your medium natural hair, make sure that you check other videos that we have done. So at this point, you have to make sure that you massage it. After massaging, you put on a plastic cap. But of course, some people or some naturals, they wash the hair and then apply apple cider vinegar. So either way, it works. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and rinse it out. You can use shampoo if you wish, but I didn't use any shampoo because I didn't want to strip my hair. But of course, I wash my hair after 3 months of protective styling, but in between, there are times when I rinse my scalp. Yes, so we are going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So that is how much is left. Actually, it's quite a lot, like it can last for 2 applications. So you can preserve it or store it in the fridge. It can last for 2 weeks. So you know what, friends, it's been 20 minutes, so we are going to rinse it out. So after rinsing, I had to put on a t-shirt, because a t-shirt is very gentle. It's not going to strip your hair. It will make your hair more hydrated. Yes. So comment in the section below, dear friends. But of course, you know what? The moment your hair touches water or a moisturizer, it will definitely shrink. But you don't have to be worried about that. Yes, because your hair will be thriving. So our scalp is so clean, friends. No any flakes, no any itchiness. Yes. So at this point, I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'm going to seal in the moisture, because we are just rinsed out our apple cider vinegar with water throughout our twist. So it's time to lock in that moisture. So I'm going in with a stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So there's that rosemary, peppermint, moringa, neem, sage, a lot of herbs which promote hair growth. So make sure that you check out the videos that I'm going to link in the description box below. So of course, you don't have to be heavy handed. You don't want to have build up. So in between washes, while in twist, I don't apply heavier products. Avoid doing that, because you don't want to have build up. So I go in with lighter products. So this oil has grapeseed oil, macadamia oil. Lighter oils, actually it's balanced with lighter oils and heavier oils like coconut oil. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. See you in our next video.